सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाइन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आई एम राना मुख्तार अहमद खान जोया, शाहीन इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड, 700 वर्ड्स, बुक 1, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 20, डिक्टेशन स्पीड 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द वुमैन sat at the open window and looked out upon the peaceful and well-known scene. Full stop. It was June, and the countryside was looking its best. Full stop. The leaves were fully out, but had not yet lost the sweet light colors of the early summer months. Full stop. The scene was indeed beautiful because of its lovely colors, for the form of the land itself was rather without interest. Full stop. There were no highlands and no lowlands to break up the great plain which went on and on for many miles. Full stop. The place was dependent upon the little things to make it interesting and pleasing to the eye, having no great land masses to hold the eye and the attention. Full stop. All those little details were well known to the woman who watched from her window on that June day. Full stop. She knew just how much growth had been added to the plants under her window since June had last come and gone. She knew just what would appear from each part of the ground round the house, when to expect it, and how to care for it. Full stop. Her knowledge of the countryside and of her own little piece of land had grown up naturally within her during the 15 years that she had lived in that old stone house. Full stop. It was quite a small house with 2 rooms looking out onto the road and 2 bedrooms above. Full stop. It was simple and plain, but it met her needs and the needs of her small family. Full stop. The first of her children, a boy, was at school, and another hour would pass before he would return, running along the little road that led to the house. Full stop. The younger of her children was a little girl, and the woman could see her at play from where she sat. Full stop. She was a happy, healthy looking young girl of 8, with the lovely natural coloring that results from good food and enough of it, and good clean air. Full stop. While the mother sat at the window, she was not thinking either of the loveliness of the countryside or of the healthy color in her children's faces, full stop. Those were the things that were part of life itself, and they were the things in danger of being lost, lost forever, full stop. If once she and her little family left there, they would never return, of that she was certain, full stop. And it was of that possible going away that she thought so seriously as she sat by the little window on that peaceful June day, full stop. Father had been offered a good position in the city, and while he said that he would do whatever she wished in the matter, while he left it to her to say yes or no, he desired very much to take up the position, and she knew that this was so, full stop. Nor did she think him wrong, full stop. He had, she knew, a good, quick mind, a mind that was never still, a mind ever at work on some idea or another, full stop. On the long nights of the long winters, he would read his books and work out ideas and plans, and in the mornings he would go off to his work, which made no demands at all upon that clear mind, full stop. His voice was never heard speaking against his work or his way of life, but because she loved him, she knew that deep inside him was the desire for something more than that easy, peaceful life gave him, full stop. A month ago, two gentlemen from the big city had called at his office in connection with some business, and out of that call had come this offer of employment at a rate of pay that would offer them great advantages, full stop. There would be money for better education for the children, which was a big consideration, full stop. On the other hand, thought the woman, the good health of the children might be lost if they lived near the city with no fields to play in, no river by which to fish, no well-known friends, full stop. Her brother's children were very weakly, and they had been brought up in a big town, full stop. On and on went the thoughts, full stop. Father had said that she must be the one to say yes or no, but thinking of him, she would have to say yes, full stop. If, however, she told him that he must be the one to say yes or no, he would think of her and say no, full stop. I must begin to sort are things out, comma, she said, full stop. Father must have his opportunity, full stop. He has worked so hard for it. Stop rating, please.